Hey guys, it's Josh with Budget Mechanic. Today I want to talk about an issue that I have dealt with in a few vehicles recently, and that is this clunking sound under slow turning or braking, this bang that happens underneath the front of the vehicle. And I want to show you it's actually quite a simple fix. But before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and click that bell. So I heard this noise most commonly when I was backing the car up and making a turn and then hitting the brakes. So I'm pulling out of a driveway or a parking spot, you back up and you hit the brakes and you're hearing a clunking sound. And then also, if I was pulling in somewhere, pulling in forward and hitting the brakes, so it was when the car came to that stop, especially when it was turning, that's when I would hear the noise. And also I was feeling it quite far back. It was almost like right underneath the gas pedal when the sound would occur. It wasn't coming way up front, it wasn't in the back of the car, but it was kind of like in this zone. Now, if this doesn't sound like your problem, like the sound is coming from a totally different area of the car, fear not. We have a great video on a wide variety of suspension issues and how to diagnose them. You can check it out in the link above. So I have the truck up on a ramp just to make it easier to see, but if you don't have ramps, oftentimes you can just turn the wheel one way or the other and it opens up so you can access. This nut right here is our problem. This nut got loose and it's what's making the banging, rattling sound. And what that is one of the bolts on the lower control arm. It's actually one of the ones that's used in the alignment process. So if you just got your car aligned and it started doing this, that could be why. It's allowing the bolt to move inside the hole of the frame and making that clunking sound. So obviously, the solution is to tighten that sucker back up. So obviously you want to make sure you check both sides of the vehicle that everything's tight, and then also be aware that there is a forward and a rear bolt on these control arms, so make sure you check both of those as well. So there you go, very simple solution. I hope this helped solve your clunking problems. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you next time.